Hello everyone, this is Edray1416 here and welcome to part 2 of Law Enforcement vs. Private Security. In the first part of the video, I talked about how private security can make certain neighborhoods including the ghetto safe for citizens. Check out that video. Here in part 2, I'm going to talk about how private security can make you safe in public places like parking lots of retail stores, malls, supermarkets, and even restaurants. Let's get the obvious out of the way first because of my hatred for the company in question. Walmart, a giant retail company that has recently been boycotted by social justice warriors over a third-party retailer dropping a racial slur over an item on the Walmart website. In addition to Walmart treating disabled employees like crap, not paying their employees accordingly, exploiting Asians just to sell cheap products, and selling crappy foods, Walmart is also known for numerous parking lot incidents. Customers that get robbed of their goods, some get attacked for no reason, women getting raped, and of course guys getting shot. And rather than taking responsibility or hiring private security, Walmart will not take accountability for parking lot incidents. The moment the customer gets out of the Walmart store, they're responsible for their own items and their own well-being. That's retarded because if they are on your property, you have a responsibility to protect those people. Walmart in certain locations used to have private security and things were alright, but in most locations, Walmart does not have private security, and for all the Walmarts that do not have it, crime will occur. A corporation isn't just supposed to protect their profits from the inside, but also the customers that are going outside. Why? Because the service of customers will give the business a repeat service and help bring in more customers. So companies like Walmart can't afford private security, but choose not to because it would hurt the wallets of the executives. Classic signs of corporatism. Look folks, if Walmart hired private security, people wouldn't get shot up constantly. Women wouldn't get raped alarmingly, fistfights would be at a bare minimum, and robberies would be nearly zero. If someone tries to commit crime, private security can detain the suspect and the customers can go home safely. Same logic can apply to supermarkets. While supermarkets may not have giant parking lots like Walmart and other major places, robberies can occur on supermarket parking lots. Many people rob people of their groceries either because they do not have a job or want food without paying for it. Shoplifting is not only illegal, but it also hurts the hard-working person that wants something to make themselves happier. Robbing people of their food means the criminal eats and the customer starves. By the time the police are there, the suspect could be miles away and all the food would be gone. Once again, that's where private security steps in. If private security patrols the supermarkets and catches the person trying to rob the customer of their groceries, the suspect is detained and the customers can go home to fix their meals. Private security can also work well patrolling streets. Not even restaurants are safe from people wanting to break in and steal stuff from the people's cars. In certain restaurants, people can get rowdy and fistfights will break out. 1 or 2 security guards inside the restaurant will make people drink and be more responsible. If a fistfight breaks out in front of numerous customers, those people will be detained. Now for theaters. Yes, I know movie theaters do ask for the police to patrol the theater, but the problem is, once again, the police are limited to what they can do in the event a crime takes place. That's why you need at least 3 security guards. 1 outside to patrol the parking lot and 2 on the inside. 1 at the gate to make sure no one is sneaking in illegally. Another to patrol the halls just in case someone tries to commit criminal activity. If a fight breaks out, that security guard can go into the theater number, break up the fight, and allow customers to watch the movies again. Meanwhile, the security guard patrolling the parking lot can check for drug dealers, panhandlers, etc. Panhandling is bad because bums are harassing people for money, something a real homeless person does not do. You know why certain malls that haven't closed down are still doing good? In addition to smart marketing strategy, they have private security not only patrolling parking lots, but they are also patrolling the insides of malls. Now the stores inside the mall do not have private security on watch because that is the responsibility of the store, not the malls. When fistfights break out, people get detained. If someone steals, security detains them immediately. If someone threatens, they get detained. Imagine how much better public places would be if corporations would do their research and hire private security. Like I said in part 1 of Law Enforcement vs. Private Security, for 1 cop, you can hire up to 8 private security guards for the same price. Walmart can afford to hire triple the private security not just for the day shift, but for the night shift as well. 2 patrol cars in one day, 4 security guards. maybe 4 patrol cars for the night shift when crime is really bad. But due to the boycott of Walmart, private security is not likely for the retail store. Let's get one thing clear. Private security will not totally replace the police. We still need the police to put the people that dox, commit fraud, organize prostitution rings, and even solicit for child pornography behind bars. The police in general are not bad people, it's just that they are limited due to government regulation. Tax dollars going toward high-tech equipment, uniforms, and brand new cars more than hiring and paying the police officers. Meanwhile, private security is more affordable and can make neighborhoods safer for people that even live in the ghetto. Private security isn't to eradicate law enforcement, but rather aid law enforcement and to help keeping the public safe. Have I persuaded you to check out the private security companies to get the best quote? If not, figure out how you can protect yourself. Anyway, I'm Edray, and I'm out of here.